Good morning, first grade. Miss Grace here with some motivation this Monday. Did you know that you can do hard things? Did you know that you can take ownership of your learning at home? Did you know that you can control how you are feeling and that helps control how our day goes and how we handle our problems? Well, I'm going to share a secret list of sentences with you guys today, and they're called positive affirmations. Can you say that? Positive affirmations. Nice. So these secret sentences, they're super easy to use, but you have to do it the right way for it to work. Here's how they work. You say it, and then you believe it, and that's it. So for your first time, I'll say them, and you just repeat what I say. And don't forget, you have to believe them for it to work. So let's try this, okay? So repeat after me. I am kind. Did you say it? I am important. Good. I can do hard things. Your turn. I can try my best. I am a problem solver. I have great ideas. I am going to do amazing things today. Did you repeat after me and say them? Good job, you guys. So now that you have the secret sentences, you can use them whenever you want to. So you guys can use them whenever you're having problems, when you don't believe in yourself, whenever you're feeling down. All you have to do is say the secret sentences and believe them, and it will work, and it'll help turn your day around. Okay, guys, go have a fantastic day and show your teachers all of your amazing work that you're going to do today. You got this. Have a great Monday.